Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Chevrolet Impala LTZ. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 137,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.